Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for HyreCar as an owner. We will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links for similar programs in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. You could sign up with Apple, Google, or email. In this case, we'll sign up with an email. On the fields provided, enter the email address and password you wish to use, your first name, last name, phone number, and zip code. After entering, click on the tick boxes to agree and receive SMS from HyreCar. Then click on Sign Up as Owner. Once your account has been created, you can now start listing your car. Click on the List a Car option. First, they need to verify if your car meets the HyreCar's requirements. Enter your VIN or vehicle identification number. Then click on the check button. Once the result appears and your car is approved, click on Continue. Next, select the color of your car, enter its odometer, and the plate number. After that, click on the tick box to acknowledge that you need to have an installed GPS tracker before your first rental. Then click on Continue. Here, upload photos of your car. Click on Add Image to upload your car photos. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your pickup address, the location where the drivers will pick up your car. Then click on Continue. For protection, it is required to select an incident coverage. This will give you a car insurance in case of an accident. Select from the options provided. Then click on Continue. Now, set your rental price, discounts, weekly discount and monthly discount, as well as the daily mileage cap. Then click on Continue. Lastly, upload the required documents such as your car's registration, insurance, and inspection. Also, include the expiration dates. After that, click on Submit. And now your account has been created and the listing has been submitted. Make sure to set up your ACH form as well to receive payments. That's how you sign up for HyreCar. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.